Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to say thank you so much for these great attentions so I can be here to deliver my presentations. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Varadilla Ananda and I am from 5BC from State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. And today I would like to tell you my presentation entitled Title of Experiment. So let me just start my presentation. In here, I want to start with the background. Like your hypothesis, the title of your experiment also has a specific format you must use. It also shows the relationship between the independent variable and dependent variable. So IV in here, it is independent variable, and DV in here is dependent variable. It is written that the formula, the effect of independent variable on the dependent variable. So remember, in your experiment, you are looking to see if the independent variable has an effect on the dependent variable. Here I will tell you about how to choose and determine a good and correct title. First, find the problem and assign a title. Determining a thesis topic that assumes a problem will allow you to freely develop ideas, methods, and solutions in the preparation of your thesis. It is different if you first determine the title of the thesis and then look for problems in the field, because it could be that the chosen title does not have contextual facts in the field, so that it could be that the problems discussed later in your thesis are artificial or manipulative problems. Second, choose the title or theme or thesis topic that you can finish on time. Consider allocation of time in choosing a thesis title. Choose a thesis title that you can complete, because you don't want to choose a difficult title with the combination of several variables, so that in the middle of the thesis preparation process, you choose to give up and want to change the title of the thesis. You don't want to be that. And then the third, relevant to your discipline. That in choosing the title or topic or theme of the thesis should be adjusted to your discipline so that you can become more expert in composing it. Thesis that is arranged according to your discipline allows you to get ideas, solutions in the process of preparing your thesis. And the fourth, multiply down the field. Initial observation is a very important thing to do before choosing and determining the title of the thesis, because factual observation makes you rich in information that can be used as a reference in making a good thesis title. The more often you make direct observations in the field, the more ideas you may find. And then the fifth, looking for references to titles through existing theses. You can find references by looking through your senior's thesis. You can also Googling and looking for ideas through existing thesis topics. Thesis ideas are not only by making new thesis work, but developing existing thesis research is a logical choice that you can do. Next, be diligent in participating in thesis exam seminars. Through thesis examination or seminar activities, you will understand how research patterns, how to find problems and solutions that can be applied. Then choose several thesis titles as an alternative option. In choosing a thesis title, don't forget to provide an alternative solution if the title you have prepared doesn't match your expectations. It's easy, you just have to choose some other good titles as a backup to anticipate things that are not desirable related to the thesis title that you have finalized. Continue. Choose a thesis title whose research results can benefit others. If we do something with the intention that what we do can be of benefit to others, then rest assured that God will provide you with a solution in overcoming every problem that befell you in the process of completing the thesis. Maybe you will encounter various challenges and obstacles in the process of composing your thesis, but God will always show you the right way out or solution before your initial intention was to want to help others. Then be diligent in reading journals. Read more scientific journals, because it could be that through these journals you will get ideas in the preparation of the topics. And the last step is ask for suggestions and input. In choosing and determining the title of the thesis, there is nothing wrong with asking for suggestions from your friends or your seniors who have completed the thesis. As the saying goes, the more people think, the more possible solutions that can be obtained. And then this is the most important. Don't forget your supervisor, because the thesis supervisor who is appointed to guide you in the thesis preparation process is usually already an expert in knowledge about the thesis. Therefore, asking for advice and input from the supervisors is what you should do. Okay, that's the end of my presentation. I want to say that thank you so much for the great attention to listening to me. And in the end, I want to say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.